This video will show you how to increase and decrease the rates. AxisRooms lets you increase and decrease the rates from Channel Manager. Let's see how. So hello everyone, today I will be taking you through another important feature of AxisRooms, which is increase and decrease the rates. So what exactly increase and decrease rate does? This feature allows hotelier to adjust room rates up and down quickly across all the connected OTAs. So now let's see how to make the changes. So to go to this inventory page, click on Manage Inventory and Prices. Once you click on Inventory and Prices, you will be redirected to Inventory and Pricing Calendar. So this is how the Inventory and Pricing Calendar looks like. To check with or to update the rates, click on the Pricing Plus mark. Then click on Multi-Update. So once you click on Multi-Update, you will be redirected to Pricing Update form. So here you can see the room type, the rate plan and the connected OTAs. On the right-hand side top, you can see Increase and Decrease toggle. So in case if you wish to add additional 500 rupees on the existing rate, you can choose a value or a fixed amount or a percentage. So now I wish to add 500 rupees on the existing rate. In case if my rate for today is 303,000 rupees, I wish to have 500 additional on the same rate. Likewise, you can also decrease the rate by 500. Once this is updated, you can select the date range, that is from today, whatever date you wish to increase the rate. Also, you can not only by fixed value, you can also give some percentage. You can also increase the rates by percentage, maybe by 12%, whatever percentage you wish to increase the rates. Once this details are updated, and you can also select the date range, then if you wish to increase the rate only on the weekends and select all the other days of a week, then select the date range. If not, just click select all the days of week. Once every details are updated, then click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, you will be redirected to this log page. Here you can see if the rates updated or the increased rates, if it is pushed successfully to the connected OTAs. So this is how you can increase or decrease the rate easily via AxisRooms Channel Manager. That brings us to the end of this video on how to increase and decrease the rates.